In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Xero organization in just 5 minutes. This guided walkthrough will take you through each step you need to follow, so let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Xero account. Open your web browser and head over to the Xero login page. If you've been using Xero for a while, this step should be quite familiar. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a login button. Give that a click to get started. Once you've hit the login page, you'll need to enter your registered email address and your password. Be sure to double check the accuracy of your email and password to ensure a smooth login process. With your credentials entered, press the login button once more to access your account. As soon as you're in and gazing at the dashboard, you'll need to locate the company drop-down menu. It's typically found near the top of the page within the navigation area. Click on it and a list of options should appear. From this drop-down, go ahead and select My Xero. This choice will guide you towards managing your organizations, and it's where the magic happens. Now with the menu open, look through the list and identify the organization you wish to delete. Once you've pinpointed the organization you want to remove, click on it to highlight it. After you've selected it, you'll need to find the option marked as Cancel. Clicking on Cancel might seem a bit off-putting as it seems a huge step, but don't worry, you're on track. Following this, the system will likely prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to proceed with the cancellation. Click Confirm to cement your decision. Remember, being certain about your choice to cancel is vital, as this typically cannot be reversed. Before the cancellation process is complete, Xero will kindly suggest you leave feedback. This feedback can be valuable for Xero's development team to gauge user experience, so consider providing constructive input. Write your thoughts in the feedback section, and when you're finished, click Send Feedback. And there you have it. The organization has been successfully deleted. With these steps, you've quickly and efficiently managed to remove an organization from your Xero account. If you encountered any issues along the way, Xero's Help Center is a fantastic resource for more specific guidance. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Hopefully it's made the process clearer and the task a little less daunting.